Hi everybody, it's Deb from Deb Crochet Cafe. How are you everybody doing today? I was just trying to let you know I've got a new stitch that I started doing last night. I worked it up a little bit, but I had to frog it. So I will show you. That's one thing with crochet, you have got to discipline yourself. If you mess up or anything, you've got to frog it. But here's part of it that I've done. Right from right here up, I got a frog. It just didn't turn out right. See how it veered off to the so I'm gonna have to frog it before I start showing the tutorial part. But it's very simple. It's just a two row repeat. So it's called Lark's Foot. Lark's Foot Stitch. But there is two different patterns for that, or not patterns, but not sequence, but two different two different patterns of the stitch. There's one that's called the Lark's Foot, but it's all one word, which is the one I did. And there's one that's two words, Lark's Foot. It's a total different stitch. It almost looks like a, well, I'll show you when I get it done and that, because I did both of them, so haven't done the second one yet, but it's going to be on its way. So, anyway, if you guys have any questions or anything, just feel free to leave a message on, or leave a comment on below this video. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys. Stay safe.